It's gonna look beautiful.
I would never use this in my house.
We are starting our next RV room makeover.
And that is the bathroom. The punch list for the bathroom is to take out the old cracked surround. We're gonna put some new tiles in. We need to add some storage.
Not real tile.
Not real tile. I was gonna leave that like it's drama.
Sorry, spoil.
No, maybe real tile. We don't know.
We don't know.
Add some organization, paint a cabinet, done.
It's not really gonna be that simple.
Add a sink, done.
Those are the basics.
And then a feature wall, done. Oh, and silicone the sink, done. We took the camper out last week, but in order to use it, we needed the sink functioning, so we installed our new sink that we got from IKEA, as well as a new faucet. Again, we got really lucky because this sink was actually the perfect fit for the space. So you know how I said I found a sink that was a really close fit?
Yeah.
This is how close. So I'm pretty sure IKEA makes things for our trailer.
Yeah, IKEA is just designed with our RV in mind.
They're like, what would Russ and Lindi need?
That's crazy though, actually. Look at this little silicone.
Yep. If you watched our previous videos, which we'll link above, we actually floored the entire RV, including our bathroom with a vinyl plank flooring. When we did that, we actually used the vinyl plank and we were able to bend it around this corner to give it a really nice seamless look for where the toilet sat. And then, of course, I did reinstall the toilet back to its original spot because we needed it for camping.
So this is our little trailer shower. We do not really use this space at all. I don't think any of us have ever had a shower in here. We have used it to wash our feet, but that's about it. There's a big crack along our fiberglass unit here, and it's just ugly. So we're gonna take this whole fiberglass unit out. Hopefully that comes out really easily. I think it will. It's just like siliconed in or something. Oh yeah, there. And then we have like a peel and stick tile that actually is supposed to be waterproof. And we're gonna put that up everywhere. That is the plan. And that's pretty much all we're doing in here. Tiling, hanging some accessories, and switching out this baby. Are we switching out this baby? We're not?
I don't have a new trailer one.
Okay, well we're not switching this baby out. Never mind.
Can I see the mirror?
Yes. That looks good.
What are you thinking for height? I want
put it up a tiny bit, like just.
Are we talking about
yourself?
a titch or a tiny bit?
A tiny bit is different from a titch, Russell. I can do my hair.
Yeah, I can go like that. I mean,
You can do your hair. That was a hair joke.
I ignored you.
What happened here?
It was like that when I opened up the box. There's a little crack in the mirror.
Oh no.
I could just put a wood frame around it or something.
Yeah, can we do that?
Yeah, maybe.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Cut a hole in the trailer.
That'll be fun.
Right, not right there.
Oh, you literally literally just told me to.
Lindi has devised a design for this area, but we're doing a feature wall, and we have learned from previous lessons where we're gonna have a bit of a gap between the wood slats, and it's way easier to deal with painting that black now. So we're just putting a quick coat of onyx black on here, and then we can start with feature wall
We
design.
actually haven't done one like this, like a wood.
Not wood on black, no. I think this will look really sharp. Cabinet painting, hey?
Love it.
So we're not changing the color this time after we get it painted?
No, we already found the good color, so we shouldn't have to. But
We shouldn't have to. That's not very firm.
we got some fun bathroom accessories, and I'm gonna open them all up now. So this is our lot. We have this automatic soap dispenser and automatic toothpaste dispenser, which I am very excited to try. And both make a ton of sense in an RV actually. And then we have a couple little like shelves and toilet paper racks and towel racks and some nice towels. It's gonna look beautiful. Lots of matte black accessories to match the rest of the RV. I searched for a while for a peel and stick tile that I actually liked. I didn't find a ton of patterns that I would have wanted in here or that I felt went with the flow in here. And I didn't want to use like a subway tile or a hex because I feel like it's everywhere already. But I really like this one. I found a couple of like inspo pictures of square tiles that really made me feel like this could fit the vibe in this space. So I am really excited to use it.
Installation's pretty easy. There's just an adhesive on the back of the tile that you remove, and then you stick it in place. And then you can cut them to size when you meet corners or edges as needed. Some of these corners are not nice, but they're not, these grout lines aren't the same as if I were to tile them. I'm not loving the quality of these.
It looks like we measured it perfectly because it looks like a perfect square at the top.
We did. I would never use this in my house.
My perfectionist husband struggles with these because they're not perfect and they do not line up perfectly.
I don't like this.
What are you doing?
I didn't like how this corner looked.
I thought you were done.
I was.
Just because those lines didn't align up?
Like toddler did it.
Oh my god. Looked like a toddler did it. It's not a professional material. It does look way better. This is worth the time, I think. Like how you just were like, I'm not happy. Rip it out.
Looks good, Daddy.
That's better.
It looks better, yeah.
Yeah.
Our slats are all cut and stained and ready to go up on the wall.
This actually should go pretty quick. I got them close to the sides and I have to do some little cuts to get a nice tight fit, and then we can get the mirror installed.
Some people may say a feature wall in an RV is unnecessary,
Majority of people would probably say that.
but they are wrong. And they are not married to me, so they don't have to do it.
It's true. I'm married to her, so I have to do it. There, that part is done.
The bathroom is done.
Yes, completed, 100% finished, never be touched again.
It looks amazing. I feel like it really ties together a lot of the elements from my original mood board and like pulls the spaces together.
And in true Lindi and Russ fashion, we got some really nice storage and kept it looking pretty, so win-win.
Win, win, win.
Oh, and budget. We saved on some, but we splurged on the sink, which I think was the right choice because everything came together really nice.
And because the sink was an exact fit to the trailer bathroom.
Yeah, thanks IKEA for building things for our trailer.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite part of this reno was. And as always, hit the bell so you don't miss out on future DIY and home renovation videos. And one more room renovation in this trailer.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Okay, well, the space is done. I'm gonna go try it out. See you, everybody.
Don't, please turn your mic off.